Well, very encouraging, itong so far, the public consultation that the ad hoc committee has been holding has produced a lot of information that may be very useful in the final approval of the Bangsamoro Basic Law. That's why I said in my opening statement that in this public hearing, we are here to listen and to get valuable inputs from the public. Kasi we don't want later on na magkakaroon tayo ng basic law, Bangsamoro Basic Law, na hindi katanggap-tanggap sa taong bayan. So, for a start, dapat malaman natin kung ano ang feeling nila dito sa draft basic law ng Bangsamoro. Para in the final form that we will approve, it will pass not only the test of legality and constitutionality, but it must also pass the test of acceptability by the people.
Yes.
Otherwise, yung purpose nitong law na ito, which is the product of a peace negotiation, will be rendered nugatory. So napakahalaga itong mga consultation na ito na malaman natin kung ano talaga ng gustong ng taong bayan, lalong-lalo yung mga yung proposed Bangsamoro State. Para sa ganoon, we will come up with something that is acceptable to them and it will serve their interest.
With all the consultations you have done, ano yung nakikita niyo parang sentimento ng tao, problema na mahaharap ng Congress in approving?
Well, unang-una, katanggap-tanggap yung basic law na drafted, no? Kaya lang, meron din sila mga reservations. May mga sector na may reservation. Like for example, we were in Buluan, may sector na mga manggagawa, government employees, na they are concerned about their security of tenure dahil pagka, halimbawa, nagkaroon na ng approval, automatically ma-abolish ang existing arm. So what happens to these employees, especially those in the regional offices? Yun ang concern. Pangalawa, yung mga the status of the existing sultanate, will they be recognized? Yung wealth sharing, power sharing, yun ang very sensitive issues that has to be addressed, and to be able for Congress to come up with a responsive law, it has to listen to the people, and ito ang purpose niya.
So after all this forum, sir, do you think your colleagues in Congress are already parang sold na talaga sa media?
Well, mayroong mga resistance pa, no? Like if you will you will listen to Congressman Pobrigat, maganda yung mga punto niya because he is pro-peace and pro-basic law, pero gusto niyang masiguro na yung batas na ilalabas ng Kongreso ay sumasang-ayon sa saligang batas at katanggap-tanggap sa taong bayan.
Hanggang kailan to, sir? When will be the last forum? Forum na naiwan?
Itong mga forum na wala na siguro, maybe about 3 more or 4 more, and then by next year we will start deliberation na.
How soon do you think the Congress would pass?
Well, certified bill ito ng Presidente. Yes. So, first month or second month of 2015, we expect approval. But again, we will also expect some sectors who will elevate the matter to the court to question the validity.
Thank you so much.
Okay.